Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. First and foremost, I would like to remind you that we have just begun the 12th month of the Hijraic lunar calendar called Dhul Hijjah, if you weren't already aware. Secondly, I would also like to remind you about one of the incredibly great deeds which the Prophet ﷺ did during the first half of this sacred month. The magnificent deed of animal sacrifice on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. And this was done in commemoration of Prophet Abraham's preparedness to sacrifice what he dearly loved in obedience to Allah's command. The Prophet ﷺ said, people of each household should offer an Eid sacrifice every year. In fact, this deed is so full of virtue that many Muslim scholars of the past and the present consider it an obligation on those able to do so. In verse 37 of Surah al-Hajj, Allah told us that the flesh and blood of the sacrificial animals don't reach Him. So it's not about this physical sacrifice. Instead, it is our submission and obedience that He rewards. That's what the sacrifice is about. So if we haven't already booked our sacrifice, it's still not too late. IOU can still help you catch this window of opportunity in which you can feed entire villages of Muslims in Africa. Visit the link below to find out more details. Please don't miss out on this annual opportunity for purification of our wealth and our vain desires to accumulate the pleasures of this short life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu wa maghfiratuh.